To create a GIF in CapCut, start by opening the app and selecting the New Project option. Choose the video or photos you want to use for your GIF and import them into the editor. You can select multiple files at once, and CapCut will automatically create a timeline for you. Once your media is imported, trim the clips to the desired length by dragging the edges of the timeline. You can also split the clips into smaller sections by tapping the split button. This will allow you to remove any unwanted parts of the video or photos. Next, add any effects or filters you want to include in your GIF. CapCut offers a wide range of options, including text overlays, transitions, and color adjustments. You can apply these effects to individual clips or to the entire project. After adding your effects, adjust the settings to optimize your GIF for web use. This includes reducing the resolution and frame rate, as well as compressing the file size. You can do this by going to the Settings menu and selecting the GIF option. Now, preview your GIF to make sure it looks the way you want it to. You can play it back in the CapCut preview window and make any necessary adjustments. When you are happy with your GIF, export it by selecting the Share option and choosing the GIF format. Finally, save your GIF to your device or share it directly to social media. CapCut allows you to upload your GIF to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, making it easy to share your creation with others. By following these steps, you can create a high-quality GIF in CapCut that is perfect for social media, messaging, or any other online platform.